In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the Grammarly extension for Chrome step by step so you can start checking your spelling, grammar, and writing quality right inside your browser. This is a quick and easy setup, and by the end, you'll have Grammarly installed and pinned, so it's always ready when you need it. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Grammarly in the search bar. You should see the official Grammarly extension appear in the results, so make sure you choose the correct one before moving forward. Next, click the Add to Chrome button. Chrome will then show a confirmation pop-up asking if you want to install the extension. When that prompt appears, click Add Extension to confirm the installation. After that, Chrome will download and install Grammarly automatically. Once the installation finishes, look to the top right corner of your browser and click the puzzle piece extensions icon. This opens a list of your installed extensions. Find Grammarly in the list, then click the pin icon next to it. Pinning the extension keeps it visible on your Chrome toolbar, which makes it much easier to access whenever you're writing emails, documents, social media posts, or anything else online. And that's it. Grammarly is now enabled for Chrome and pinned for quick access. You can start using it right away to help improve your writing and catch mistakes as you type. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.